If your faucet is acting all weird and the water flow feels weak, chances are your faucet aerator is clogged and needs some TLC. So here's the lowdown on fixing that clogged faucet aerator. First off, grab a wrench or some pliers and gently unscrew the aerator from the faucet tip. Don't go Hulk mode or you might mess it up. Once it's off, take a look inside. You'll probably see buildup of gunk, like mineral deposits or dirt. Soak the aerator parts in vinegar for like 30 minutes to an hour. That stuff works magic on breaking down minerals. After soaking, use an old toothbrush or a small brush to scrub away any stubborn debris. Rinse everything with water to make sure it's clean and then screw it back onto the faucet. Turn the water on and check if the flow is back to normal. If the water still looks funky or is slow, you might want to repeat this cleaning or check if the aerator needs replacing. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a clogged faucet aerator is trying to force it off without loosening it properly, which can strip the threads or break the aerator. Fix? Use a cloth for grip and turn gently, maybe apply some lubricant if it's stuck. Another issue is not cleaning the aerator regularly. Leaving mineral buildup to pile up leads to poor water flow and weird spray patterns. Just make cleaning your aerator a part of your regular home maintenance every few months. Lastly, sometimes folks forget to check if the washer inside the aerator is damaged or worn out, which can cause leaks or drips. Just swap out the washer if it looks cracked or flattened, and you're golden. BigHomeProjects.com is like your go-to buddy for finding reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff, making home fixes way less stressful. Plus, for contractors, it's a solid spot to connect with homeowners and get steady work without all the hassle.